Oh, naman, Ma. I just really need to get away for now. Na-pressure kasi talaga ako sa bilis.
Opo.
Sa C5 ka na dumaan para walang traffic, ha?
Opo, sir.
Tumawag ka kung may kailangan ka. Hmm?
I'll miss you. Ate, gaano ka katagal?
I don't know. Baka mag-New York pa ako or... But I'll call. Ma, kapag pinuntahan kayo ni Anton, please tell him that I'm so sorry. Wala naman talaga kasi siyang kasalanan. Sorry sa ginawa kong gulo.
Pare, ano ba nangyari kay Anton?
Di ko nga alam eh.
Kevin, Brunois, cut. What are you doing?
Yes, chef.
You want me to do your job? Guys, ang tagal na natin ginagawa to. Ako ba gagawa lahat dito? Bilisan nyo naman, double time, please.
Ready na po to, chef. Pare, ako na dyan.
Guys, double time, ha?
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Ano ba talaga nangyari sa babaeng yun? Nakausap niyo ba?
Nag-off ng phone. But I called her house. Sabi ng maid, nagbiyahe daw.
She didn't tell us?
Where to?
Coffee for Sam?
Hindi niyo maalala ng amnesia maid? Guys, they barely know each other. I suppose nag-cold feet lang si Rafi.
Mahal naman ng
That's
cold
it.
feet na yan.
That's it? Anton doesn't deserve any of that. What she did was so cruel.
So what's up?
I just thought you might need company. Sulking while drinking. You know what else can be liberating? Yung pwede mo sabihin kahit anong gusto mo.
Alam mo, ayoko na pag-usapan yun. Wala akong gustong sabihin.
Then we don't have to talk. After we met, I actually looked you up. Tapos the next time I saw you, Rafi was already introducing you as her boyfriend.
You understand that's not how casual hookups work.
So paano na kung bumalik siya?
I don't know, Sam. It's more of her option, not mine.
Rafi, please. Please talk to me. Rafi, it's been too long. I just want to know what's going on with you, where you are. If you're gonna come back home. I mean, hon, if you need time to think. If you need time to think, that's okay with me.